Charging module Tp4056. Transistor BC557. Transistor emitter pin connecting with module input positive side. 1K resistance. Resistance one side connecting with transistor base pin and other side connecting with module charging full light. Beat buzzer. Buzzer positive side connecting with transistor collector pin. Connecting a wire with module input negative side and buzzer negative side. .7 battery holder. Negative wire connecting with module output negative side. Battery holder positive wire connecting with module output positive side. .7 lithium-ion battery. .5V charger. Charging. When battery full, buzzer sounds beep.